Hello everyone, hope you all are extremely well. So in today's video we'll be going to discuss the question number 1400, construct k palindrome, so strings. So what we have to do in this question, that you have given a string s and you have also given a variable k, and you have to find out that is it possible to construct three palindrome strings from this string s, like we can use all the characters. How we can solve this? So let's imagine we have to form three palindrome strings. Okay, there are three buckets. We have to arrange the characters somehow that these three buckets are the palindromic buckets. Now, what question comes to my mind, like how I can arrange the characters? For that I need the frequency of every character. So I will make one frequency array where I will say the L is 1, the E is 3, T is 1, C is 1, O is 1, D is 1. That's all. Now, this is very clear. The characters which are having the even frequencies, they can easily adjust themselves within this k buckets. Like for example, let's say I have a character. Let's suppose like A is not here, but let's take there is a character A which is having a even frequency. Even frequency means 2n frequency. The frequency which is like the multiple of 2. So I know one thing, that for this bucket to be the palindrome, every character should appear two times. So if I'm putting A in the front, I have to put A in the back. If I'm putting A in the front, I have to put A in the back. If I put A in the front, I have to put A in the back. Like this, I can somehow arrange even characters, and even like it is independent of the k. The characters which are having the even frequencies, they are having independent of k. Why? Like it doesn't matter. If suppose the k, like there is only two buckets, I can again put these two a's among this side or this side, or 1a in the center, 1a here, 1a in the center of this, 1a in the center of this. So even characters, like the characters having even frequency doesn't even matter here. The main catch is we have to figure it out the characters with the odd frequencies. Now, why there is a problem with the odd one? So suppose there are characters with the odd frequencies. Suppose as of now here we have one, two, three, four, five, six characters which are having the odd frequency. Can I say one thing? If I take individual character, let's say L, let's say 3E, then again T as a separate, as a C separate, as a O separate, as a D separate. These are themselves one characters are themselves as a string. This odd is also themselves as a palindromic string. This is also a bucket. So these buckets individually can be greater than k, but we need exactly k. We need exactly k buckets. So the problem boils to the point that your odd characters, the characters which are having the odd number of frequency, should be less than k. If they are greater than k, they can form many palindromic substring. Like they can individually split among each other, single character, and they can have the many buckets. So we just have to figure it out in this question, that how many characters are there with the odd frequencies. How many characters are there with the odd frequencies? If let's say there is a count is x, so if the x is greater than k, anyway your answer will be false. Your answer will be false always. And if it is less than or equals to k, it is fine, you can arrange somehow. If suppose I have only L is one time, E is three time, let's say, and let's say L is 1, E is 3 times, and let's say K is 3. Can I make palindromic substring? Yes, because you can arrange 3E one time, or you can arrange two E's in a one bucket, one L in a one bucket, and single E in another bucket. You can again form three palindromic substring. So this is the main catch of this problem. That's all. So you just have to count the frequencies of every character and then find out the even and the odd one. If the frequencies of the odd character is greater than k, it's false. Otherwise, it's always true. That's what we have to do in this problem. So I hope you find this video good. And if you want me to explain much about the frequencies. Like yesterday, also we have a question related to the frequency of characters. You can comment it out, and I'll make a separate video on that. Thanks a lot for the today. Bye bye.